These are 3 techniques that will help you with your learning retention and your memory. Let's get it. Okay, bingo. What's happening? My name is Sumit Chatterjee from the Flow Zone Academy, and I'm a flow state coach, which means that I help you feel better and perform better. Let's get started today. Let's say you want to study for an exam. Let's say that you want to learn faster. Let's say that you want to retain more information. What I know is that learning retention equals effort. So the more you're engaging with the subject, the more you're learning. However, what a lot of us do when we're learning is we just keep repeating the same thing over and over again. Like we will reread a chapter of a book right before a quiz on that book. Or we will just keep on doing the same kind of, exercises over and over again, right? Now, with these 3 techniques, you can actually improve your learning, but that is also because we're improving complexity when it comes down to flow state. If you want to look more into this, this is 3 techniques from the book, Make It Stick. So in the book, they say, the effort of retrieving knowledge strengthens its staying power. The first technique that you can use is self-quizzing, okay? Give yourself a quiz. So, like for instance, the way that I would practice this is I would listen to an audiobook on Audible, and then I would suddenly quiz myself on that chapter or on that little section, right? Where I have to go back actually and retrieve the information that is slowly diminishing, right? We're in a constant state of forgetting. So they say in this book, it's like 70% of us start to forget constantly of what we're thinking about. We're constant on the stream with our memory, right? And we have to kind of maintain that in a sense. Quiz yourself, quiz yourself, quiz yourself, quiz yourself. So actually, like you doing a bunch of past papers, right, is really gonna help you. So look at past papers of stuff that's already been done in the quiz, right? Just look at constantly as many past papers as you can to incorporate that wisdom, and also just as you're learning to quiz yourself, just create a quiz for yourself and just start quizzing yourself, because that retrieval information, as it puts in more effort into this quizzing, it will just start making you better, and it will start making you more amplified and a better learner. So what are the main ideas in this book? How can I use this information? And what is new for me that I've learned, right? What is the novelty element? The next technique is called interleaving. If you're trying to learn a certain phrase in a certain language, it's better you interleave, which means having similar phrases, lots of them. Let's say you're trying to learn French. You have similar phrases, right? Using that same word. Let's say you learn the word cadeau in French, which means gift. You want to use that word in different circumstances, different occurrences, different scenarios, using different other words to combine it. If you're learning hello, you're learning also hello, good morning, hello, it's nice to meet you, hello, how are you, and all of these kind of graspers, okay? Like you can grasp onto other words from that word. So this is a process of interleaving that's very powerful. You can use this with pretty much anything. You want to give extra effort deciphering similar information. As you guys know, I'm doing MMA classes, and I'm going today actually. And the thing about it is, to start to understand, it's better for me to practice a jab, a hook, and then a kick, rather than just a jab, 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 right? Now, just perfecting the jab is beneficial, I'm not gonna deny that, but in combination with other things, right? Like if you're a basketball player, you practice making, 3 shots, 1 shot, and combination approach, right? Rather than trying to, only perfect one. You want to kind of put yourself in these various situations, right? For a golfer, you can use different putts or, different styles. For a professional eater, you'd use different, portion sizes, different plates. Spacing is the last technique. Space the thing that you learn. So let's say you learn a very important piece of information. How about you set a reminder for that piece of information a week later, a month later? The time that you recognize that you'll be forgetting that piece of information, suddenly have it revive itself, right? And space it out. So instead of just, practicing this thing like a week ago 50 times. You want to kind of space it out throughout your week. So let's say that you want to learn how to get better at this video game, right? You'd watch walkthroughs on Monday to Wednesday, and then you would learn techniques and play with other players on Friday and Monday, right? This is giving you kind of a better understanding of the game, right? Because you are starting to space out. You're not spacing out like, well, man, right? Where you're spacing things out. So just rereading information is a learning illusion. When we involve ourselves with our learning and we use these 3 techniques, again, the 3 techniques are self-quizzing, interleaving, and spacing. Apply this in your day-to-day and just get better overall as a learner. If you need any help for this, shoot me a message on Instagram. Let's get working one-on-one. Let's improve your productivity. Let's amp you up this year. Let's go. May the flow be with you, os. May you never be the same again. Hit that subscribe button. Boom.